Today we're going to work on two new capitals, capital A and capital O. So a couple vowels today. So capital A is going to start at the skyline. It's going to curve to the left, all the way down to the baseline. Bring your pencil straight up. Don't take it off your paper. Carry it straight down, and the tail should sit on the baseline. Up, around, back up again. Bring your pencil down and add a tail. It resembles very much the lowercase a, except you're starting at the baseline because it's a capital, which is going to make it tall. We'll work on 10 capital A's. In your book, it's going to be on page 110. So if you want to follow along or look at the arrows in the upper left-hand corner, you may do so, just like that. So your capital is going to sit on the baseline. Then the word we'll practice today is the state of Arkansas. So we'll start with our capital A, go into a lowercase r, K, A, N, S, A, S. Arkansas does not end in an AW, it's an AS ending. So we'll practice Arkansas 3 times. Just like that. Okay. The other A state we could practice is the state of Alabama. Capital A, L, A, B, A, M, A, A, L, A, B, A, M. Remember the M has 3 humps, not 2, because otherwise you would be forming an N in cursive. Just like that. So capital A on page 110, you're going to write 15 capital A's, and then you have words and a sentence to practice at the bottom. I am going to clear my board, and then we are going to practice capital O. And to do an uppercase O, first you'll look at page 111 in your handwriting book. We're going to start at the skyline, curve around to the left. You are going to go and sit on the baseline, back up to the skyline. You come around and add your tail. So it kind of crosses around. So you'll kind of do a capital O, come around, come up and out. Now, when you do a capital O, it's not going to connect to anything because capital O's tail is at the top, but we put a tail on it at the top to let people know that it is a capital cursive letter. We'll practice 10 all together, just like that. Then we're going to practice the month of October. Capital O. So our lowercase c, T, O, B, E, R. So next year, when you're in 3rd grade, you'll know how to write October correctly on your paper. Just like that. And one more. And then we could practice the state of Ohio, which is capital O, lowercase h, I, and it ends in an O, a lowercase o. So O, H, I, O, O, H, I, O. So 110 and 111, capital A, capital O, will be due on Friday. Make sure you do your best handwriting. Take a picture of both pages to send to your language arts teacher and be practicing at home.